Hello and welcome to EY Belts and Apparel. Thank you for joining us. In today's video, we'll go over our utility straps. They come in a standard 6-inch length and a long 9-inch length. The utility strap is the handle portion of our EY leash kit, but can also be used in many other applications. The utility strap uses a choke system to wrap around any item that is about a 1-inch diameter and a 2-inch diameter for the long version. Now I'll show you how to loop the strap around a belt to use as a key hook or as a hands-free leash when paired with the EY leash kit. First, take the strap with the D-ring up and loop it on the inside of your belt. Then you're going to take the D-ring and feed it back in through the loop portion of the strap. You're going to want to pull down and then properly seat the webbing so as to keep it from getting bulky. It can move freely in any direction with ease. Now, you can easily put your keys in your pocket and have the system ready to go.